Hey guys, what is up? And we're playing some Roblox Flood Escape. Flood Escape was made by Crazy Blocks. Let's go. Go. My name's George. Let's go. I'm George from Georgiana Boy. Whoop whoop. From Crazy Blocks. Okay, whatever. Alright, let's just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. And we're in. Okay, now let's play some Crazy Blocks games. And it looks like the game is ready. Let's go in. Why can't I go in? Ah, it is stuck. It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, it's stuck. Right, we'll just wait for it to work. We are in, but it's just not working. Okay. Alright, we're in, and there's nothing in it apart from the door. How can we get in? Right. Oh, my battery's low. Alright, let's carry on playing. Let's carry on playing. Alright, I'm just going to spectate because I feel like spectating. And spectating is cool. Okay, now we're escaping the fast. Alright, let's go. Now we are going this way up the ladder. Oh, how did I die? How did I die? I died. I died. Let me in. Let me in. Yay, I'm in. Okay, let's go. All right, guys, we're going in. We're going in. And we're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Is it going to work? Is it going to work? Is it? All right, is it? Yay, it's worked. And are we okay? Are we going to die? Okay. What? No, why again? Oh well, next. Oh well. Okay, let's. I'm just gonna check on my mum for a sec. Hey, Mom? Yeah. Is everything okay? Okay, bye. Okay, guys, we're in. Right. Right now we're in the ice factory. Oh shoot, I'm about to die. I've jumped on. Work! Oh shoot, I'm good. It's flowing. Okay, now it's worked, and I'm dead. Get out, sis. I'm playing Roblox.
You're watching Roblox.
No, I'm playing Roblox. I'm playing Roblox.
Watching your video.
Playing Roblox. Hey, Roblox. I'm playing Roblox. Gigi, okay? Gigi from GGTV. All right, we're spectating. Let's go. Whoop 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 whoop. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go go. Go 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 go. All right, good for him. Okay, we're gonna have to go this way. Oh shoot, doesn't that? Oh well, I've got one choice. That's to blow myself. Alright, now it's red, so now I'm going to jump onto you. I'm gonna get this. Yep, it's on. And I don't know what to do now. Oh shoot. I'm dead. I'm dead! Yep, I knew it. I was dead. Oh well. Carry on Roblox. Let's go. Let's go. Why won't the door let me in? Why? Just why? Yes, go in, go in, go in. What? No! Oh well. I'll just go in. No, it's full. And I need to pay 300 Robux. Oh, that's really annoying. Right, I'm going in with you guys. Gigi, I'm doing a Roblox video. Right, how do we get on? Let's just say, oh shoot. Oh yay, I just jumped really high. And I didn't do anything. That was a dumb start. Okay, one death. Alright. I'm gonna wait for you, little girl, because you need to come now. Dead. Alright, I'll just do it. No, I'm dead. It's hard, of course. It's hard. Because I'm in the hard level. Right. Game is ready. Let's go. Okay. Now it's working. It's working. Alright. Oh, shoot. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a trick. Wait, it's a trick, isn't it? But I can't get up there. How do I get up there? Okay, I'll just follow you. I just fell in, and there was no way I could get there. I just saw a ladder. Okay, what next? Let's just go into the easy. Medium. Medium. Come, my little girlfriend. My girlfriend. Okay, that's the time. 7:21. Carry on. Oh, let's... Yay! Okay, now I am going to get up. Okay, I can't. Wait, it's on the third one. Oh, this is the third one. Okay, this is fun. I'm jumping. Alright, this is kind of fun. Alright, you dead. Okay, come on, please work. Yes! And my girlfriend came too. We are in love, because I like the view. And there was me. Okay, he's dead. Okay, now what do I do? Alright, I'm gonna run. Okay, this is the right way. Okay. Thanks, beautiful. Alright, let's go. Oh, no. No. Okay, I'm dead. At least I made our first round through. Our first room bonus. Okay, which one should we go in? Yeah, let's go in easy because my girlfriend's in it. Okay, we are... Oh, yeah, this is going to be easy because it's easy. Alright, the flood is coming, obvious. We can see it. What a nice job those two did. They look smart. Alright, let's play. Roblox. I love it. I love Roblox. Whoa. Okay, this is just crazy. Okay, now I'm just going to carry on jumping just in case something happened that will go bad, like I get stuck like last time. Alright, this is easy. I thought there was jumping there. I've already done it, but it just doesn't. Okay, there it is. Right, let's go quick because we don't want to fall. We're making it. We're making. My mom's reading. Mom! Mom, I'm in a little bit of a YouTube video here. Oh, shoot. I'm dying. Thanks a lot, Mom, for distracting me. Oh, great. I'm dead. Yep, dead. Whoop, whoop. All right, let's carry on. Okay, yeah, this is easy. Let's play. Let's play hard, because we want to have a challenge. What? No. Why am I not in hard? Okay, I'm just gonna... Yes, I'm in. Okay, you look stupid. All right, we're gonna die. Look, I think I'm gonna die. In fact, it's obvious that I'm gonna die.
But you missed out 3 words there, and you haven't even finished the sentence. Try not to miss out the words. After.
Okay, I didn't die. No, I glitched again, but I'm gonna die. Okay, great, I'm dead. Alright guys, we're all dead. We've died. This is my first ever Roblox video, I think. Have you seen another Roblox video? Let me know in the comments, because the comments are super. And let's play some hard level, because I'm cool and everyone else isn't.
We'll have to go.
Okay. Just a message from the Telegraph for me again. Just wonder who's playing. Let's carry on. Why am I in the hard? Why can I not exit? Play as a medium. I'm spectating, and he's walking in the air. Upstairs. Dad, I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah?
Where's we doing piano practice, sweetheart?
Okay.
YouTube video with?
Myself?
George,
Yes.
come on.
Okay. Just wait for... I'm gonna lose connection anyway. Guys, bye. See you later.